Good morning students. Welcome to online class eSuvidya. Dear students, today we will know about the summary of the priceless gift. So first of all, we know the main characters of this story, priceless gift. The first one, the main character is the writer, Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta was an Indian, but during his stay in London, he went to a vegetarian restaurant, and at that time he saw a girl. The girl name was Maggie. Yes. The girl was very poor and he was also sad. Her mother's name was Mistress Betty. Mother. Mistress Betty. Mistress Betty was an old woman and also a widow, and she prepared cakes every Saturday and sold because Saturday was the festivity in their neighborhood. So Mistress Betty's son, Frankie, son of Mistress Betty, Frankie. And Frankie was a soldier in India. He had been killed in the fighting on the frontier, and Frankie sent a ring to Mistress Betty. So, writer, girl, Mistress Betty, they are the main character of this story. So let's discuss about the SGP wise. The first SGP. There are 8 SGP in this story. The first SGP is about SGP 1. About the writer's first meeting with a girl in a vegetarian restaurant. So the first SGP about the writer's first meeting with a girl in a vegetarian restaurant. Yes, the writer went to a vegetarian restaurant and he saw a girl who was very sad, and the girl inquired about the writer, and the writer was surprised, and the writer also asked to the waiter in that restaurant about the girl, and the waiter informed the writer that the girl was very poor. So the writer wanted to help her. The SGP 2 about the writer's second meeting with the same girl in the same restaurant. So writer's second meeting with the same girl in the same restaurant. So, the writer met the girl again in the same restaurant, and the writer knew about the Maggie's family, about her name and her mother's, about her brother. Her brother was only guardian of Maggie. So, SGP 3 about the writer at the Maggie home. Writer with the Maggie reached at Maggie's home. At that time, Betty was making cakes because Saturday night was the festivity, and they prepared the cakes and sold there because they were so poor and earned some money. Then SGP 4. So SGP 4 about Mistress Betty's discussion with the writer about India. Mistress Betty's discussion with the writer about India, and also a miraculous ring. So Mistress Betty wanted to know about India. Why? Because her son was in India. He was a soldier. So he asked so many questions to the writer. What kind of country is India, sir? What kind of place is the Punjab? So are not there so many snakes and tigers also? Like so many questions Mistress Betty asked to Mr. Gupta. And about the miraculous ring, the Frankie sent a ring, and that is also miraculous ring. If anyone concentrate on that ring, into gaze into the ring, then he will able to see the person was doing and that person. So SGP 5 about the Mistress Betty's sickness. Mistress Betty's sickness. One day the writer went to Mistress Betty's home, and he saw that Mistress Betty was sick. He was bedridden. Why? Because Frankie had not sent any letter for a long time. No news are received by them. So Mr. Gupta consoled Mistress Betty, and Maggie requested Mr. Gupta to tell a lie. Yes, Frankie is alive or well. And Mr. Gupta also told a lie to Mistress Betty that her son was alive and well also. So after that, Mistress Betty recovered. This is about the SGP 5. So about your SGP 6. Here Frankie's death. Yes. One day Also the writer went to Mistress Betty's and Maggie's home. He saw all the family was in mourning. Why? Because Frankie had been killed in the fighting on the frontier. So he felt ashamed to face Mistress Betty because he told a lie. So this is about the SGP-6. So SGP-7 about the last meeting. Maggie's last meeting with the writer. So writer, it was almost time for his return to India. So Maggie came to the writer's house to say goodbye, and told Frankie is buried near the frontier. And also the writer consoled her and said, the writer would visit her brother's grave and write to her. This is about the SGP-7, and SGP-8 about the last ending of this story, and the ending of this story about a ceiling. And the ceiling was a priceless gift, Yes, this one is the ceiling, and one ceiling. Here 20 shilling makes an English pound. So the girl gave 1 shilling to Mr. Gupta to buy flowers and lay them in her brother's grave. But the writer first wanted to return that shilling because Frankie had been young with so much toil. बहुत परिश्रम करिके से रोजगार करिथि, से जगह से फेराई देवा पाई चाहुथिले. But the writer then thought the shilling was not an ordinary. It is the love, affection towards his brother Frankie. So he received that shilling. So, and the story ended with a sad situation. This is all about the SGP. So dear students, in all SGP there are a number of dialogues, and remember that dialogues and who said to whom and in which SGP. Like of your, how long will it take to reach your country? Yes, Maggie said to Mr. Gupta in SGP-7. Like another dialogues like, what kind of country is India, sir? Who said to whom? Yes, who asked to whom? Yes, Mistress Betty asked to Mr. Gupta. May I know your name? In which SGP? SGP-2. And the writer asked to Maggie, is that gentleman an Indian? Who asked to whom? In which SGP? This is the first SGP. And the girl asked to the cashier. Yes, to the cashier. And do you like that? So these are some dialogues that are given in every SCP. So remember that. So let's discuss some of the long questions that are coming in your exam, like why did Maggie want Mr. Gupta to meet her mother Mistress Bethy. So another one is like of why was the writer ashamed to face Mistress Bethy? What does the priceless gift and why it is priceless gift? So these type of questions are coming in your exam. These are some long questions. So students, this is for today's lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.